Good morning, fellow YouTubers, on this Tuesday, March 8th, 2022. Just started everything up. Haven't done a recording in a while. It is 8:40 and the NQ, the Nasdaq Mini, is moving like crazy. I probably shouldn't have fired it up right away because I would like to let it settle down a little bit. But let's see if the Auto Ripper Pro can catch this. Looks like it's going down. It's been up and down pretty good this morning. Starting to settle down a little bit. Think she's gonna rebound a little bit. Have the Auto Ripper Pro on. Waiting for it to fire one off. Maybe we'll get something here.
Order submitted.
Here we go.
Order canceled.
There's a nice little one.
Order canceled.
Saw some red coming there. She might go up farther. It's going up to the overnight, the daily open. The old daily open is the line in the sand. See which side it wants to be on. So we just pocketed $800. I do like to go for about $1,000 a day. Let's see if we can catch another one. It's time. I started at 8:40. It's 8:41, 1 minute. Could just stop here. Let's see if we can get our goal. I'm sitting right here with my finger on the trigger. Well, there was a good one there. Didn't take it. Must not have been what it wanted to see. Guess I was right with stopping it right there. I caught the majority of the move. See if she's going to pull back. There is support at the 13,283 line right here. It's coming back down to it. Now it got close to it. We might get something here if it goes back up. There's resistance right up here. See how it already tried it once? See if she breaks it. She did.
Order submitted.
Here we go. Let's do it again. Get up there. Get up there. You want to go up higher. You know it. 28, 30, 32.
Order canceled.
There we go. Just let it run. Let it run.
Order canceled.
Done. Okay. Let's see what we got. 1752. I believe we started at 840. So it took a grand total of 3 minutes, and the Auto Ripper Pro left a little on the table, but I can live with 1754. And see what the strategy analysis says. Okay, paid a grand total of $40 commission, so $1,700 roughly. The average trade 5.515 minutes. Not even a minute. And if you do this every day all month, you make 53,000. And the Auto Ripper Pro is more than capable of catching all this, but I am happy with that. So for that, thank you for watching. Oh.